Chapter 5 Soil Erosion and Conservation. Soil erosion. The slow and steady loss of the top fertile soil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Causes of soil erosion. जब ट्रीज बहुत लार्ज स्केल पे कट किए जाते हैं उसे कहते हैं डिफॉरेस्टेशन. इट इज़ वन ऑफ द रीज़न फॉर सॉइल इरोजन. Strong winds blow away the topsoil. When it rains heavily, topsoil blows away. Crop rotation is not practiced, also causes soil erosion. Soil pollution and its causes. When we dump non-biodegradable waste into the soil, it causes soil pollution. Non-biodegradable waste decompose नहीं होता है और जिसकी वजह से soil में pollutants mix हो जाते हैं. Causes are plastic and polythene bags which mix with the soil are never decomposed. This causes the soil infertile. Also, the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides pollute the soil. Steps for preventing soil pollution. Stop deforestation and preserve forest. Bury garbage and waste in the ground. Use natural fibers instead of polythene. Restrict the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Use organic fertilizers instead of chemical fertilizers. Necessity of soil in the conservation of environment. Soil is needed for plants to grow. Soil is home for many insects and animals. There are many hills which are made up of soil and a large species of animals live in such hills. इसलिए हमें soil को preserve करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Soil conservation. Soil is a precious natural resource. It should be conserved. The practice of prevention of soil erosion is called soil conservation. The following steps should be taken to prevent soil erosion. More and more number of trees should be planted to cover the cut down areas. So it is called as afforestation. Soil can recover its mineral nutrients naturally if different crops are grown on farmland. The practice of growing different crops on farmland is called crop rotation. वाटर के फ्लो को रोकने के लिए एट हाई स्पीड तो उसके लिए हमें डैम्स को बिल्ड करना चाहिए. लार्ज ओपन लैंड शुड नॉट बी लेफ्ट एज सच. स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स take away the topsoil. So trees and bushes should be planted in such areas.